Hello, friends. This is Dr. Madhumita, practicing reflexologist and counselor. What can hamper your follicular growth in stimulation cycle? One of them is diet. Diet plays a very big role in low AMH stimulation. When the patient comes to me for reflexology sessions, I always give them a diet chart. If it is low AMH and if that person is vegetarian, their diet is different. If the person can eat non-veg, their diet is different. But diet should be there. So I always give them a diet chart. When the why the follicles why the diet chart is so important, because when you have low AMH, the follicles are definitely little on the weaker side. So follicles are the seeds of a baby. It should grow very well, very good, with the proper diet and everything, so that we can expect some good embryos, and good embryos can lead to a pregnancy. That is why diet is so important. One of such case of low AMH, and she is vegetarian. I gave her diet. On the day 2, when she came for the scan, the first scan and injection started, I gave her the diet chart. I asked her to follow it very, very religiously, because we don't have much time in hand. From the day 2 to day 10, day 12, the stimulations finish, and they are ready for pickup. So hardly we have 10-15 days, 10-12 days. So that's why I asked them to follow the diet very, very strictly. On day 2, she came. I gave her the diet chart, and the next scan is on day 6. When she came back on day 6 for scan, the follicles were just 8 mm. It should be more than that. Doctor said, okay, it is slow. It is growing very slow. Okay, we will wait. And the next 2 days, you take this injection and come back again. On day 8, she came back again for the scan, but still it is 8 mm. Doctor said that I will wait for one more scan. If it is not growing, then we will abandon the cycle. She was very upset. She came to me. She said, ma'am, what to do? I asked her that session we are doing, I know that, but what about the diet? Are you really following the diet? But it never happened that if you follow the diet properly and follicles are not growing, it doesn't happen like that. She said, नहीं मैं तो मूली गाजर सब कुछ खा रही हूँ. I said, I did not ask you to take मूली and gajar. I asked you to take a lot of other things also. And you are not following that. I said, no. I said, from today onwards, you will follow that diet chart religiously, and I don't want any excuse. She had no choice, because doctor said then we will abandon the cycle. She started following that diet. She came back after 2 days, and this time the follicles are growing the way it should be. Doctor was quite happy. She said, fine, we will continue with that stimulation. Her husband came with the patient for the scan. He said to the doctor that we are really grateful to Dr. Madhumita, because the way she guided us, the diet, which really helped my wife and the follicle, and the result you can see. It is there in front of you. We are really grateful. We are very happy with this. Thank you so much for suggesting reflexology and her diet. That is why I always tell all my patients that please follow this diet. You don't have much time in hand. And every single time, you cannot repeat the same cycle, same stimulation. You cannot do that. So first or second, whatever times you have to do it properly. Give your 100%, and you will get the result. Thank you so much, friends. I will come back again with some more interesting cases. Till then, goodbye.